Hi friends, come with me as I open my package from Temu. This is a birthday gift for my friend's son who's a gamer. It's a Little Miss Sunshine shirt. We'll see if it fits me. Okay, that is gonna fit me. I grew up with these Little Miss storybooks. What about you? Did any of you have these when you were a kid? It's a stuffed elephant. But it's all smushed. It's so smushed. It's okay, little one. I'll bring you back to life. Poor little baby. Oh, look, she's coming back to life. I like it a lot. It's a birthday card for my friend's son. It's a reference to Alice in Wonderland. It says, "A very merry unbirthday to you." So it's about celebrating every day like it's your birthday. I got a knockoff calico critter. I'll figure it out, but to me it's a little cinema roll purse. So is this bigger than a real calico critter? Comment if you have real calico critters how this one compares. But I'm happy with her. And then last but not least, I got some clips to hang a tapestry in my living room. Hope you enjoyed seeing what I got. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!